Word families. Short A, Story 3. What did Pam see? A, am, 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 Pam, am, s, am, Sam, am, j, am, jam, am, r, am, ram, am, t, am, tam, am, am, ham. Pam saw Sam with the jam. Pam saw a ram in a tam. Pam saw Cam with the ham. Pam said to Cam, "May I taste your ham?" Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.